So guys, let's continue part 2 video of my previous vlog of the same mall, and if you haven't watched that video, I would suggest you to go and check my iCard. There I have put the link and you will definitely love it. So keep watching with me. Location is given in the description box. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Khuratulan. This is coffee beater. You can use it for making foam of cappuccino, milkshakes or any type of hot drinks. It's kadhai and I prefer serving some dawat dishes like kadhai or brain masala in front of my guests. These are the stainers. Wide range stainers are here. These are the melamine balls, set of 5 pieces, unbreakable. Now we have come in the baking section. It's a cheesecake pan. Different kinds of cheesecake pans are here. Here you can see the lock system. We can detach the wall of the pan after baking. Every kind of cake pans are also there. This is the pan for cupcakes. You can bake 12 cupcakes in one go. These are also the baking trays. It's section for tray. Variety trays are here. It's a stainless steel bowl and wide variety of stainless steels are here. Different types of bowls, plates. It's a tray, serving tray. Here in Saudi Arab, people mostly use it for serving mandi or their cultural rice type dishes in this tray. These are the baskets for serving fried items in hotels. Appetizers are served in it like french fries, chicken bites or potato wedges. It looks very presentable as well. He's my son.
Hi!
This is wooden tray, or you can use it for cutting vegetables. These are the wooden baskets. I am also using this basket on my dressing table. I organize different kind of bottles like perfumes or oils. This is wooden serving tray. These are the ceramic plates for serving in dinner. These are the ceramic bowls, trays. Wide range ceramic plates are here. These are the glass bowls for serving desserts, or even you can bake something. Different shapes are here. oval, round, square, rectangle. It's good design. You can use it for serving, or even you can use it as a showpiece on the center table in the living room. I have kids, so I cannot use these types of bowls or trays for showpiece. It's a glass tray. It's the first floor. This floor has totally different items, which I'll show you in my video part 3. These are the jars for storing snacks or different items in the kitchen. It's an airtight jar. It is different. Its cap is very different. These are the 3 pieces set of knives. These are pretty cute serving bowls with lids. I also use it in my home and it really looks amazing. These are the clay bowls. These are different colored ceramic plates. These plates are looking too elegant, and even we can make our feast table looking beautiful with these colored plates. And I have seen a lady who filled up her trolley with all these ceramic items, ceramic plates, ceramic bowls of different colors. So cute saucers are these. Beautiful design on it. So beautiful. See, it's so simple and amazing. It's plain color and golden outline. Different color plates with golden outline. I'm really loving it. These are the design plates. Wow, it's beautiful. These are really gorgeous and fancy plates. These are the matching fancy design bowls as plates. It's a stainless steel clip. These all we can use it in feast table or in front of guests. They are quite fancy and cute. These are the fancy knives you can use for cutting cake. These all are cutleries. Wide range cutleries are here in this shop. It's set of 12 pieces a spoon in only 5 riyal. These are the hangers for door. These are different doormats. This one I also use in my home, golden one. These cushions are looking pretty cool. Now I am going to stop this video here and will continue it in video part 3 inshallah.